Navigating the MERN Stack can be daunting, especially when preparing for interviews. Let's dive into the essentials. First, understand the core technologies. MongoDB for database management, Express.js for server-side logic, React for building user interfaces, and Node.js for server-side JavaScript execution. Expect questions on CRUD operations in MongoDB, middleware in Express, component lifecycle in React, and asynchronous programming in Node.js. Be ready to discuss RESTful APIs and how to handle state management with Redux. Employers will also want to know about your experience with deployment strategies, like using Heroku or AWS. Remember, they're looking for problem-solving skills, so practice coding challenges that involve these technologies. Stay updated with the latest features and best practices as the tech landscape evolves rapidly. Your ability to articulate your thought process will set you apart. Embrace the challenge and let your passion for the MERN Stack shine through.